see the drip, yeah, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and a giddy up. Secure the back, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up.
Hey, boys, it's your boy 728 Autos back with another video. I apologize if there's a lot of wind noise, but I still ain't got this damn AC fixed, so it's a whole ordeal in that going on right now. But I'm on my way to see my boy Jeff at Audio Zone. Y'all know him as Audio Cat. Y'all see that back there, man? I got something in the box, man, so stuff that's in the box is finna be out the box, you know what I'm saying? So stay tuned, man. Finna do some extra stuff to the car, man. I told you we ain't gonna stop. 2020, we still going up, man. Hey, man, so we out here, man. We out here at Audio Zone, man. As y'all can see, man, I got the Mustang sitting right here, man. So I can let y'all in on the secret since we already getting it done, man. But back seat, y'all can maybe kind of sort of see the box back there. But this little baby boy, yeah, she getting gone today, man. We getting all that off of there, man. So definitely happy about the upgrade that I got coming for that, because that's the first thing that I really want to get done. But hey, man, stuff been delayed obviously because of other things, obviously, but we're getting back on track, man. And so as y'all can already tell, man, with the car, y'all can kind of already tell the theme that I'm going with here with the wheels, the roof, the white on black. So you can kind of already guess, you know, what color the spoiler is going to be, but you might not be able to guess what the style of the spoiler is going to be, man. So hang on, man. Y'all don't fast forward. Don't fast forward. Y'all going to see it, man. Man, I know at first, man, when I first had these tires on here, it was like February. Yeah, I think it was like February when I got these tires, right? I don't know. Shit, it's been so long, right? But they didn't really hook for jack squat, but it was because it was cold outside. Now it's warmed up. These suckers hook, man. They still have a little bit more play than what I would have expected. I think it's just because they're kind of old. But yeah, man, they be hooking and booking. So I don't have too many complaints on them no more. But also, man, also talk to my boy Jeff about some other little business that we got to do. Specifically, man, around his channel and what we can do to make it pop off, man. So y'all know what I do, as well as my YouTube channel. So y'all kind of already guess, put two and two together what I'm talking about. Hint to the hint. But yeah, we got stuff coming, man, so stay tuned. What up, man? Yeah, I got the 360 camera, bro.
I'm liking that thing. Like recording all the way around?
Yeah, all the way around,
Where'd you buy it from? Okay, I'm going to take this. Guys, I want this for a present, so y'all can look up what I'm looking for. 360. I can stick it on top of my car, record my races, and record everything, and it's not a bubble.
Nah. You can make it however you want to.
Take a picture of that, guy. Bobby got a customer in front. I want this. Anyway, guys, this is Jay Cruz, aka Noah's Audio Cat, here with nobody less or nobody more than 728 Autos. He's here in the shop today on this beautiful Mustang. He wants to get another upgrade done, and you know we're gonna do it for him because obviously there's a long history with 728. We love him a lot here in the shop, and he called me today. Says, Jeff, I need to get the spoiler done. I told him, man, we have a crazy day. He's been here. It's been crazy, but I'm going to fit him in and get him going. He wants to upgrade the real spoiler of his car. So we're going to go and get into this bad boy and figure out what we need to do to get this done. First of all, where's your new spoiler at?
It's in the trunk.
It's in the trunk. So let's pop this in here. Let's see what he's got going on.
I don't even remember what it looks like. I've been waiting on it for so long.
We're about to find out right now. You've been waiting for shipping, right?
Yeah, man. Coronavirus.
Everything has been shipping problems right now. But let's just see what he got going on. We got another Mustang lover right there. You know, you got Audio Fox right there in the building. He ain't playing around. Alrighty. Let's see what my boy got here. 728 Auto.
It's gonna be a surprise to me. Shoot.
You bought it, you don't know what you got?
It was like 2 something in the morning. You know, it's the worst time to be online shopping, man.
Bring it down. Yeah, this is beautiful. Both of the nuts. So we got this here.
Yep, got the hardware.
I wish you weren't recording it because I would like to vlog a surprise for you, but you're going to record your own car.
Oh,
so
damn.
That's okay, but it would have been nice to just see the finished effect of the car and not see the whole build.
Yeah.
But let's go to take a sneak peek at what he got. I'm doing this here, guys, on the crazy schedule. But again, man, 728, he deserves this and more. He's a great guy, man. He's an awesome guy.
Man, when I say this man is busy, this man is busy. He ain't stopped moving since I got here.
Man, it's been a non-stop flow, but you know what? We're grateful for that. We're grateful. It looks great.
Yeah.
Oh, man. I'm not gonna let you see it until it's done.
Let him match the
But guys,
roof.
this is actually really nice because the matte finish, it's already got the pre-holes, so we should have no problem putting this in there in a minute. I'm gonna start ripping this apart. In fact, I'm gonna do something even better. I'm gonna let the Mustang lover himself try to do the build for you. That's Mr. Isaac, like my son. He's the one with the red Coyote, which is literally a beast. That car is running great. He's driving it great. So I'm gonna let him get into it because he's doing all the upgrades to his car. So he has a car to come play with. You feel like playing with this one?
Mr. Save the Manuals.
That's it. We save the manuals. Yeah, we're playing around. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and let him get into this. He's very skilled. So go ahead and get this going. I'm gonna see what you got. We took the factory off, and I wish I could have got you the footage, but if y'all can see here, man, even that one that's going on, look, the double-sided tape that's applied around the edges here, guys, that double-sided tape is kind of what makes it sealed. These are the main bolts that give it all the support, so you have to get this all off. He's actually doing a cleaning now in preparation to get the new one installed. We should have this out in a few minutes. I'm gonna break this one. No, I'm not, because he's gonna sell this to make some money, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, but we got this one came out already. We're gonna get the new one in. We're back with the final results.
Yeah, so if anybody in DFW area wants a stock premium Mustang spoiler,
we got another one for a Hellcat too.
Yeah, we got all of them, man. So if you need them, man, hit me up on Instagram, 728 Autos. Man, I can get it to you.
Give it to you.
Get it. Ain't no give. Hey, man, my guy Jeff was out here busting his ass trying to get this spoiler on, man. I ain't never seen him work that hard. He was over there washing the back of the trunk off, getting all the little factory goo adhesive off the trunk for me and everything, man. Crazy, man. He was crazy, man. Especially to get me in on today when it was really busy, man. Appreciate him 100% for that. I'm not going to show you what it looks like right now because that's going to be the reveal at the end, man. But they're still working on it. It's almost done. He's just buttoning up some things and we should be ready to show it off, man. It looks really good. I'm looking at it right now. It looks really good. Woo! All right, y'all. Boom, big reveal, baby. It's time, man. It's time. I made y'all wait long enough, man. It looks so good. It sets the car off, man. Remember I told y'all about the black accents, man. The black tips I got, black wheels, black roof. Again, you walk around the car, man, because y'all can see it. See what it looks like from this angle, man. How it kind of sets the profile off, man. Look, we got black wheels. Of course, we got the nostrils. You know, they're breathing up there. Black grill, the black splitter, the black what do you call those, rockers, splitters, whatever those are down on the side too, man. And then we got the roof that I blacked out here at Audio Zone, man. Like I said, make sure you come to Audio Zone for all your needs. They do more than just radios. I know it says Audio Zone, but they do more than that, man. It's a shop, man, where you can basically make anything happen up here, man. Just come see my guy Jeff, make an appointment. Don't do like I did and just show up, man. You're not going to get the same service. Everybody's not going to get the same service, man. But look, make an appointment with him. He'll get you straight. And look at that thing, man. The piece de resistance. That thing looks so good, man. I've been waiting to say that phrase for a long time. But look, it just sets the whole car off, man. I know I'm in the shade. I'm kind of outside the shade, man. I would normally just back out there and let you see it, but it's hot. Again, brother ain't got no AC, so woo. Everybody like, man, why are you getting this spoiler on? You ain't got no AC, brother. Hey, look, man, one step at a time. 2020 has been one of those years that I cannot wait to forget, man. It's just it ruined a lot of stuff or a lot of plans. Honestly, man, this car was gonna be the 2020 car, man. And right now, it just it's on a whole different plane than what I thought it was gonna be. But I still wanted to get this thing looking good because I do enjoy driving it, even with all the problems that it's given me. Y'all know, go back and watch the video. Had a whole Ecoboost situation. Now the AC doesn't work. Found out today the compressor's leaking, so that's thank you, Ford. But we'll get everything sorted, man. Ain't nothing but a couple problems, man. Life could be a whole lot worse, but look at this, man. If you made it this far, man, make sure you do me a big favor, man. Actually, two favors, especially the second favor, man. First favor is hit the thumbs up button, because that helps me out a lot. Hit the subscribe button, because that helps me out a lot. But make sure you go to my guy Audio Cat's YouTube channel and also do the same for him, man. Those two things for me mean a lot, man. I appreciate it. And then I'll catch y'all next video, man. Y'all know I'm gonna just keep coming with more videos. I know we getting back on the grind slowly, man, so expect more consistent videos. And then I'll catch you next time. Peace.
You see the drip, yeah, I'm fitted up. I'm in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. You see the drip, yeah, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus.